This is a $10 secondhand microphone, and I'm about to transform its audio quality with 3 of the most cutting-edge AI audio enhancers out there. This is how it sounds like raw, just plugging into my computer without any tweaks. But how does it sound now? Listen, you guys are brutally honest about the audio quality of my previous videos. In fact, one of the viewers commented, "You make AI videos but you do not use AI to make your sound better? The mic quality is terrible here." Ouch. Well, despite finding out that using a $10 microphone and knowing absolutely nothing about audio qualities is not enough for launching a successful YouTube career, I think S4SA has a great point. As I'm building up the BruteFab community, you, my viewers, deserve better sounding videos. Therefore, in this video, I researched all the AI voice enhancer tools I can find on the internet, and I'm going to share with you the best 3. So let's dive in. First up, we have Adobe Speech Enhancer. This tool has been talked about a lot. I mean, pretty much every other YouTuber, and it's no surprise why. It's super simple to use. Just drag and drop your audio file in either .wav or .mp3 formats, and wait for the magic to happen. Boom! So let's give it a listen. Testing audio 1 2 3. 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 Now that sounds so much better. Just a few minutes, you've got yourself a refined, much better quality audio from a $10 microphone. And the best part? It's free, at least for now. Next up, we have Audo AI. This tool is much more versatile. Out of all the ones I tested, it has the sleekest UI. Sleekest, is that a word? But anyways, it also allows you to upload both audio and video files. Perfect if you are creating shorts. It provides you 20 minutes of free footage per month. Come to the interface and upload your file here. It gives you a couple options. Reduce background noise and auto volume. Let me use the video I had a few weeks ago that had bad audio. Let's apply them and give it a listen. In my case, I would like to connect to the CEOs of the world's best robotic companies on LinkedIn. Here's my prompt. In my case, I would like to connect to the CEOs of the world's best robotic companies on LinkedIn. Here's my prompt. And for all of you developers out there, you can use their API for developing your own product. So it does seem like a more specific tool. Before we jump into the next awesome tool, I would like to ask you to take 2 seconds and hit that like button for us. It is the best way to support BruteFab because it helps the YouTube algorithm share this video to more people and grow our community. Your support helps me create more useful content, just like this one. Okay, back to our showdown. Finally, we have Cleanvoice. Right off the bat, it shows great promises. How many times do you stutter and add filler words when you speak? Personally, I've noticed that I do it a lot in the beginning of starting to record myself. I still do it now. It was so frustrating and time-consuming to try to clean them up. Now, it seems like there is an AI solution. Let's take a listen.
Removing filler sounds and mouth sounds is very time-consuming. Removing filler sounds and mouth sounds is very time-consuming.
Isn't that cool? Not only that, it has multilingual support, dead air remover, and integration to your preferred editing software. In terms of pricing, it offers to clean 30 minutes of audio for free, and then you can either pay a subscription per month or get a pay-as-you-go deal. I did record a small sample and tried it out. It works, but not perfect. I've noticed it sometimes cuts off the ends or beginning of the words. It also occasionally misses some filler words. Try it out and let me know how well it went. If you've stayed with us this far, thank you. This video is dedicated to you, the BruteFab community. We've hit a milestone of 1,000 subscribers, and I'm beyond grateful for your encouragement. You might be wondering why the audio quality has improved dramatically in this video. Well, here's a twist. I've invested in a better microphone. A bit ironic, I know. While testing AI audio enhancers, I realized that while these software tools are cool, they aren't quite perfect yet. And you, my subscribers, absolutely deserve the best quality content I can provide. Many of you have been asking for more videos about prompt engineering. Rest assured, I have them planned. As this channel grows, I'm committed to improving the quality of our content continuously. So if you haven't already, please smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Comment if you have any suggestions. I do read and reply to every single one of them. Until next time, happy denoising.